Enti adanse a wudi ye no edaben na Daddy Lumba be ware Ɔdɔ Bronii year ben.
That was 10th April 2010.
2010. Okay, at the time now we adults where the abro 18.
Like I say.
At the time now we in fear by saying
Me no I say me 51 years next month.
That's fine. It's not just na unfia. Onya kwala kra. Nti efie nti Daddy Lumba be ware Ɔdɔ Bronii wo fie ye ne ho ade.
That was pepe.
Insan ko ni bibia etu ni tinsa.
Sani ayeye wa awareje bia sepia. Ade dance so. Ade ba ko pa. Dance so wo Daddy Lumba no Ɔdɔ Bronii aware no mu ene se wa ma nya video coverage bia e was aware no.
Auntie nya picture bia na video bia of aware no.
Picture there was a picture of Daddy Lumba and Ɔdɔ Bronii after the ceremony. But as to say group pictures for the family and all those ones in there, these are uncles.
Oh, okay. And na at the aware na senona ebusua mienu ni nyina were fully represented.
Abusua afa no ni nyina Daddy Lumba ni papa side, ni mama side, Ɔdɔ Bronii ni papa side, and then mama side. Omu nyina the nominations e by. They are paying say Daddy Lumba because of the population, you know, what they that one I pray Ɔdɔ Bronii abusua for say or pray omo aware no be obese abusua for na ono ni fie ho no de ho ye an enclosed list na me bibia wo ni fie ho interessant no oma abusua for no ni na a limited number of nominations and abusua no eyi nipa bi so omo ko gina omo nem na e ma omo koye sa aware
international say mo be ye Ɔdɔ Bronii ho ade ne wo Lumba fie ho won kran ha.
Lumba fie ho e tantra he.
Okay. Ba abusua ni nyina ba ho.
Abusua mienu na afa no ni nyina ba.
E be je aware ne kama.
So.
Na ba o mo ntwa video bia.
But I told that bit no so any coverage.
Any coverage bia. And also na 2004.
2010.
2010.
2010. April 10th April 2010.
Oh, okay. Oh, nice. It is a dance here when I will di our witness box nim.
Seven for my evidence. Or say Daddy Lumba ni Akosua Serwaa no almost sign marriage certificate. And so photocopy of the marriage certificate on the back on signature behind so. They are supposed to be certificate on the back they were not notarized and they were not certified.
Yes.
And that processes are on the fast with the buy and on say on the call Ghanaian your son is consular na or Germany.
Germany yes.
Emma or certify and sana abagana meaning no omanye until we processes on the fast with the certificates in Ghana no court entimi anyintum ebio on the face of the certificate no court no who said the certificate is not original enti one certificate no ba akokra antu enema mienu a court no gina so and say Akosua Serwaa was customary married in Ghana under the customary law by Daddy Lumba in 1991. And no, it's undisputed.
Yes.
And now the Tosum and say Daddy Lumba ekojina simpie so e declare Akosua Serwaa say me yere Akosua Serwaa entimi entumi aduro e ma mingu. Oka sa asem no ase achi pepepe en owu ye nti according to judge no Daddy Lumba eji Akosua Serwaa tum say oye na yere. Nti sa na ma mienu na court no ejina so a oka sa Akosua Serwaa so eye Daddy Lumba surviving wife. Nti oni Ɔdɔ Bronii na eye oyere. Nti abusuan nkonkohwe na omonkwa toto niema na omunya yie no. Na embom no asise de abusuan bagina tum say oni kuna ne de e wa abusuan nsem. Enanya court na be kire.